I know what you're thinking. A beard straightener is a beard straightener is a beard straightener. All beards are curly. How do I get curls out with a straightener? So many questions, right? We are going to talk about a company that's available over Amazon. Their full beard care kit is available for $32.99 with Prime shipping. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the company I'm talking about is Vikicon. I don't know. Vikicon is what I'm going to go with. This is the box for the beard straightener that comes with the kit. This is the main body of the kit. Everything comes in this box. Nice logo on the front, their name here. The always important forbidden use by children on the back, unless you have a bearded child, and in that case, use with supervision. As you open the box, it is a slide top. It has got a nice cover that comes over the heated brush, a thank you card, a couple more brief instructions, and then straight to it. This is Viking choice, in case you're wondering. This is what the heated straightening brush itself looks like. Pretty basic format. Handle here, power button on the back, 3 different temperature settings. 300, 355, 410 are the 3 settings. It's actually got blue LED lights that light up 1, 2, and 3. I used the middle one when I used it, and it seemed to work just fine. Like I said, real basic layout, right? Here's your tines, heating elements down through the middle. They say this is scald proof. I didn't try to scald myself, so I don't know. The usual spot where a deionizer would be, just a plastic plug. Here's another little helpful hint. Do deionizers really do anything? I have no idea, but I know that's the spot where they're supposed to go, and this one doesn't have one on it. 360 degrees swivel plug, which is cool in case you're trying to maneuver around in the bathroom. You don't have a cord getting stuck one direction, so you can't use it on your face because it's stuck however it is they stick, whatever. Does have their logo on the front. So one of the things about this particular straightener that I wasn't a fan of is the feel of it. I know that sounds ridiculous. As long as it works, what does it matter? That's true. But when I have a product and I feel like if I accidentally drop it, it's going to shatter into a million pieces, it worries me a little bit. Getting down to the nuts and bolts, does it straighten your beard? Yes, it actually works fairly decent. I'm not going to say it's the best one I've ever used, and by far it is not the worst one I've ever used. And most importantly, for $32.99 in a complete kit, can you go wrong? I mean, that's completely up to you. It's preference. It does have the nice silver button, the nice silver accents. The cord's a pretty long length, so I was able to move around my bathroom pretty easily with it. It doesn't take very long to heat up. Once you turn it on, it's ready to go in under 5 minutes. The only other thing that I didn't like about this is it says it's got a 30-minute automatic time off on it. And I left it on for that particular reason, and it didn't shut itself off. Excuse me. So if you do end up grabbing this, make sure you pay attention to whether you turn it on or off, which you should be doing anyway, but that is a nice safety feature. I did say that it came in a kit, so let's look at the other pieces of it. One of the other main pieces is this right here. Pretty common staple, right? Beard oil. We all know you're supposed to put beard oil on your beard pre-straightening so your hair can handle the heat. Nice box, really cool logo, all the directions you need on the side. Also got the ingredients: grapeseed oil, argan oil, citrus aurantium bergamia, which I looked up, and that's actually bergamot oil. Cedar Melissa officinalis leaf oil, which I also looked up because I wasn't familiar with the term, and it is a lemon leaf oil. Getting inside the box, pretty standard bottle, rubber drop top, nice brown glass container. Ingredients again here, 100% pure organic, fragrance free. So when I open this, so side story a little bit. I like to wear fragrance free at night. My wife has an allergy to certain scents, certain essential oils. So fragrance free is good for me, right? When I open it up though, it's not fragrance free at all. It's got a really strange, I can't even call it citrusy. I don't know what the scent is exactly. I know that I'm not a fan of it. And when I use the oil and the balm together, it seemed like it dried my beard out pretty quick, which is odd. But it does say it's all cold pressed, So perhaps it's just my beard in that situation. It just doesn't work for me. Last piece of this kit is the beard and mustache balm. Straight away, just by the name of it, I know don't judge a book by its cover. I had never heard beard and mustache balm. I'm used to a mustache wax or a training wax and then a beard balm. I don't use beard balms all that often. You know, it's that time of year where it is kind of windy, so I might throw some balm in once in a while. But honestly, I don't use it that much. But I gave it a shot, and what happened is, if you guys can see that very well, it's very petroleum based is, I guess, the word that I would use. It feels very Vaseline-y. I don't know if that's a word or not, but it feels like I put Vaseline in my beard, and I don't like that feeling. It's got the same scent as the oil does. Again, kind of a hard one to explain. With all that being said, this is the part of the review where I tell you whether I'd recommend it to you or not. I'm going to split this one up. The oil and the balm, I'm going to say no, but they come in the kit anyway. The straightening brush, if you are looking for an entry-level brush, you want to straighten your beard, you want to take some curls out without spending a bunch of money, go ahead, pull the trigger. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. No harm, no foul. I don't know what shipping might look like because of the current situation. I know it does ship from Amazon, and it seems like they're still moving things along pretty well. So you might get it pretty quick. You might be able to order Amazon Prime, get it in the next couple days. You might be waiting till the middle of June to get it, but it'll tell you on Amazon, so that's not what I'm here to do. Decent brush, not decent oil, not decent balm. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already, consider it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you loved it, thumbs down if you hated it, and as always, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. So until I see you guys again, be awesome to each other.